Alrighty, here we go, another one for y'all. We're going to be doing a little comparison, hitting the water, catching in the denim, and then hitting the flower and catching in the denim as well. And we're going to see the difference between the two. This is about 50 yards. This is 350 Legend, 180 grain, Power Points, Winchester Super X, yada yada yada. Y'all stick around and see how it goes down. Alright, here we go. Bamboozled the water. Yeah, nice. Looks like in and out. I just hope it didn't go down the crack. Other end. Ah, we got it. I feel the warmth. It's a pretty bullet. Definitely a pretty bullet. Y'all can see that. Not too bad. Alright, definitely blew a barn door out on that with the flower. So that's first. Yep, we are through the second pair. So that's more than the water. Water stopped in the second pair. And it is actually through the second pair and stuck. Barely fraying. That's interesting. That is definitely a huge difference in the bullet. Definitely. Look at that. That's pretty neat. Big difference going through the flower and the water. Two different things going on big time. That's hitting the water and that is hitting the flower. All right, I didn't clean out all the denim. Not too worried about it. Quick rundown on the size. .35 as expected. Now through the flower, through the water, we got .61. .61, and if you go from the base to the top, .47. Now through the flower, we got .65. Well, okay, here we go. .68. We got .68. And if you go from the base to the top, yeah, there's some denim in there. We got .5. Well, now .51. There we go. A little bit of difference going on between the two. Let's see if we can get some weight going on here. The windy scale's probably gonna act up. All right, first one, we got 180 grain bullet. There is some denim in there. About 150. It's dancing around because of the wind. 150.8. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. And then through the flower, we got 1.75, 1.74. Dancer 1.75 is what it's calling it. So there we go. That's interesting, and it does have a little bit of denim, but it kept it through there. So I mean, when you're dealing with more flesh, like deer shoulder and things like that, but you're gonna hit the bone. Until you hit that bone, it's gonna hold together pretty good. Not too bad. That's 350 Legend, and there you go. Hope you all enjoyed.